Fit tip number 14 for 2018. Some pretty age-old classic wisdom from moms everywhere, and that is eat your veggies. Specifically, a serving of vegetables at every meal. So not just eat your veggies once a week, but try to fit them in at every single meal, which might seem like a lot or difficult, but it's really not. I personally put spinach, mushrooms, onions, things like that in my morning egg scramble or omelette. Eggs are a great way to get in protein, healthy fats, and vegetables in the morning. Then you can do things like carrot sticks and cucumbers for snacks with hummus. You can base your lunch on protein, fat, and veggies. So maybe some chicken breast, some broccoli or asparagus, or a big old salad full of vegetables and maybe some olive oil and vinaigrette for dressing. And then for dinner, again, a protein and veggie based meal. So maybe some salmon, maybe some steak, some more chicken, and then again some vegetables on the side. Maybe you do a side salad of tomatoes and cucumbers and feta cheese, or rice cauliflower, or even a cauliflower crust pizza, which is an amazing treat and a good way to get in some really flavorful, strong food based on veggies. There's a lot of creative things you can do with vegetables, so try that this year. The great benefit about vegetables is that they are full of vitamins and minerals, antioxidants. They help to improve your immune system. They help to prevent disease, things like cancer. They are great for healthy skin, hair, nails, and vegetables are full of fiber, and fiber keeps you full, and it gives you lots of energy in the form of carbohydrates, but ones that aren't going to spike your insulin or cause fat storage. So part of why I love vegetables is because they're very filling because of all that fiber, so you can eat a lot of them but without tons of calories. So you get a great filling meal without, the hundreds of calories you might get from something like bread or rice or potatoes or pasta or things like that. And they will just help to make you feel great, have natural energy, so many other benefits. So fill up your plate with vegetables at every single meal, and snacks if you can as well. And that will definitely help to improve your health, your fitness, and the way you look this year. Leave a comment below if you have good ideas for how to make vegetables tasty and a great part of your meal, even in a way that kids enjoy or people that hate vegetables enjoy. Please put that in the comments below, share with others, and if this is helpful to you, please like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you for the next Fit Tip.